Yo, what's up, YouTube? What's up? Well, little update. We still couldn't get the truck running with the new ECM. It probably didn't need an ECM. It's probably something basic. So here's my truck right here. I had to tow it to this place right here so they could get on, they can kind of check it for me and see what it is. But basically, so you see right there, the truck is towed in. So basically, it's some kind of problem with it. I mean, we tried everything to try, and it still won't crank, won't turn, won't do nothing. So basically, what we just have to do is, whenever they can get to it, see what the problem is and stuff. And but I still, a friend of mine, cousin, got an extra truck, so I could run and work for him, run under him and make some money, so I could still bring some money in and stuff like that there. But I won't make this video short. I don't want to make it long. I mean, I don't want to make it long. I want to kind of get back and set everything up. Set everything up for the other guy who I'm gonna run his truck. And so I'm gonna work in the morning. That's right, I'm gonna work in the morning. I gotta go ahead and make this money. You know what I'm saying? So that's a little light update. Is YouTube short? I still feel bad. I'm not giving up. I am not giving up. At least I know I can. At least I know that I could bring some income in. I'm happy. It ain't as much income that I wanted it to be, but at least I know I could make some income. It's enough to pay bills and take care of some stuff. So, but let me get off this right here and get back. Peace.